Battle Racers is a game that is going to be launching inside Decentraland virtual reality platform, and you can come here and look at your parts and everything. This video is going to show you how to transfer a part to OpenSea so that you can sell it on the open market. If you want to use the parts that you have in the game, then you want to keep them here, and you'll use them in the game later. So I'm just going to pick a random part like this one here, and you can transfer it right here. Very simple. You can show the complete set here, or you can transfer it, confirm, and it's going to connect to MetaMask and transfer that part. So it's going to pop up right here, and it's going to charge you a little bit of gas. So this is another thing about MetaMask. If you want to play around with this gas fee, this is all about waiting in line. How long do you want to wait in line? If you're a patient person, you can click here on gas fee, click edit, click advanced, and this number right here is what you're paying. You can bring this number all the way down to 1, and as I go down, I want you to watch this right here, this 46 cents. Right now, if you wanted to use 8, then basically you're pushing the gas of the car, going to the front of the line, and you're going to pay more, which you're willing to pay, to skip the entire line and get this transaction done fast. But if you don't care and you're patient, you start lowering this down, 40 cents, 34 cents, 29 cents, lower it to where you're comfortable, and this is extremely low. But I've been doing this already, and I've noticed that 2 has been going through at 11 cents. This is slow. So you hit OK, and it's going to show that your transaction is going through in your MetaMask right here. And then you'll be able to click on it and take a look at it on the blockchain, and it's a success already, which means it went through very fast. It only charged 8 cents. Here's the confirmation from my MetaMask. That was actually very fast. So I would suggest to try one and see how long it takes you, and if it takes a little bit too long, then bump it up from 2 to 3, and then maybe bump it up from 3 to 4, and see how much it actually charges you, because it said that it was going to charge 11 cents, but that's the maximum. It ended up only charging me 8 cents. Now we can go over to OpenSea, and that part was 4732 by ID, and click on my items. It's going to connect to my MetaMask again. Refresh. And here it is. I remember by the look of it, but we can hover over this right here and you can see, well, I guess I'll click on it. Part 4732. Part 4732 is now on OpenSea, and I can click sell and charge, I don't know, 0.15 and post a listing right here. And it will show up under Battle Racers when you type in Battle Racers right on OpenSea.io. You type in Battle Racers and all of these parts are here. You can click on the most recently listed, most sold, expiring soon if someone's doing an auction. And now you have your parts here. My goal personally is to find all 4 parts, same color, same make, same model car, and bundle them on OpenSea as 4 parts and sell them as one complete car, all colored the same. I know that everyone's going to have their own style, and people might have different spoilers, you know, different makes and different models all mixed together, and I'm sure some of these cars will look very cool together, and that's definitely encouraged. But for me, in terms of selling the car to new users that are coming in, I plan to bundle as many same make, same model, and same color as I can and slowly sell them online. So you should see my parts on OpenSea very soon. We're setting this up right now, and everyone is transferring their parts over. So good luck, and if you want to keep cutting the line, then increase your gas.